All right, what's up everybody? Hey, we got a quick video for you today about a product I found from our good friends at Mabett that really solves an issue that a lot of us Bronco owners have. Let me show you what this product is. Let's get it installed. Let's do a review. Here comes a quick one. Let's start with the unboxing. Love when that happens. All right, so this is going to be a pretty quick one, y'all. We've got our instructions. We've got one bracket, one set of bracket, two set of bracket, a couple of screws, and our screen. I can't believe that actually landed in my fire pit. I wish you could have seen that because nobody's going to believe me what just happened there. Oh well. All right, so the packaging obviously is nice. We've got, let's see, here is our screen. It is spring loaded on the ends to make it for easy installation and removal. Looks nice. Brackets. We've got the backing, other set of brackets. Got some cleaning pads. Should be a quick one. Let's go knock this thing out. All right, let me set these down, show you what we're talking about. All right, so hopefully you're following along in your instructions. Make sure that you are looking at whether if you have a soft top or a hard top. To be honest with you, there's not much difference between the two. The hard top might be a little bit easier because there's only 9 steps compared to 11. Not a big difference, but let's go ahead and knock this thing out real quick and easy. Like I said, you don't even need any tools to do this installation. That's pretty awesome. First thing we're going to do is we're going to lower these seats. Let's knock that out. Now, to be honest, you don't have to lower these seats, but when you see where the bracket place is back here on the back, it's going to make it a lot easier if you do. Next thing I'm going to point out is this is directional. Mabett designed these fantastically. They fit right in with the contours of the Bronco, so you don't have to do any drilling. It's just going to use this adhesive, and the direction that you're pulling it is going off of these tabs so it doesn't come off. I was worried when I first saw this because I don't trust adhesive all the time with temperature changes and all, but this design again is flawless. I love how they did this. Not even going to have to need any tools to install these 2 brackets. They also include some adhesive promoter. So we're going to use this. Let's go and knock that out. All right, we're taking out the adhesive promoter. Pretty much just an alcohol pad. Might be a little stronger, but we're just going to make sure get a good cleaning on the panels. Don't skimp on this part. Make sure you clean the panels. Again, you cannot mix these up because, again, of the way they are designed. So you'll see it just fits right there. Snug it right up, and there you go. So we're just going to remove the backing, place this on, rock and roll. Once you got the backing off, we're just going to place this on. Don't push it down yet. Move it forward as much as possible. Man, that sucker is strong. Put it in. Man, it looks factory. I love it. Love it. Repeat. Pretty satisfying, I'm not going to lie. Press it on there a few times. And now let's move to the back. For the back, we're going to do practically the exact same thing. Clean it with the alcohol. Take off the backing of the adhesive. Place it on. Now, the one thing I will say is maybe it did include a couple of screws and washers. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There's nothing there from the factory, but I'm going to put them on anyway. Now take a look at what I'm talking about by how well these products fit. When you set this in, I mean, it just fits absolutely perfect. And again, the pressure is going to be pulling back this way. So you've got this holding it in, you've got the 3M, and you're going to have this extra additional screw that goes right there. I mean, you see it's perfectly form fitting. I mean, I swear it's like it was supposed to be there. These guys are great. You do need one tool, and it is a T30 star bit, and that's just to put in the bolts that are back here that Mabett included. Where the factory locations are, there's nothing there on mine. So we're just going to do that, and then we're done. All that's left is to put the actual cover on and test this bad boy out. Let's do that. All right, so this is, like we said, it's spring loaded on both ends. It will only go one way, so just notice the way the grooves are, how this is pointing down. I'm going to put them in, spring load. Actually, I'm going to get behind so you can see a little better. Got that one side in already. Just going to pull this up. That's it. Looks good. Push seats back. Another thing I like is that's regular. You can recline. It's got, you know, 1/2 inch of recline. Push back regular. 1/2 inch to recline. You can see it's butted up right against it. Now all that's left to do is pull this thing out. Put it in the slots. There you go. Let's go ahead and do a little before and after so you can see the whole purpose of this thing. So let's say you got an unruly kid. You want to just throw them in the back. Obviously, people are going to see them if they come by, like if you leave them out there in the car when you're at the gas station or at the grocery store. Could land you in some trouble. But now, with the Mabett cargo cover, they'll never know he's there. Wait, I'll show you. All right, y'all. So disclaimer, obviously that's a joke, but you can see what I'm talking about. The great thing about the cargo cover is it just keeps your valuables out of sight. You know, if you've got your gate closed, even though the windows are tinted, you can still kind of see in there if somebody looked in. But mainly if the top is off, you know, this is great. What I do love is it's at a great height too. It's perfectly level with the tailgate. Again, looks factory, great product, very well made, extremely easy to install. If for any reason you wanted to take this out, you know, all you're doing is, again, it's just spring loaded. Bam. You saw how easy it was to take out? And it's just as easy to reinstall. So, I gotta say, I give this product, gosh, 9.5 out of 10 stars. I really don't see any negatives with it. The only reason I don't give it 10 stars is because then I feel like if I give it 10, then maybe it's going to stop creating great products for us. I'm just kidding. But, oh, let me show you one other thing I really love about what Mabett did. They knew that they were putting these brackets on, and instead of just making it for the cargo cover and that's it, they put these little hooks on here. May not be a big thing, but you know, you can actually hang like some grocery bags or some gloves or whatever it is that you're looking for. I mean, I wouldn't put anything really heavy on them, but again, it's just a nice little touch, a little extra feature. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, really simple install. You only need one tool, and that's that T30 star bit just for the brackets back here on the back. I'd say the whole thing will take you maybe 10 minutes, if that. I highly recommend this product.
Wow, why'd you put me in here, though? That was crazy when you closed that down.
Yeah.
It was